Binigyan diin ang Malacanang na malaya pa rin si Vice President Leni Robredo na ituloy ang mga nasimulang programa na may kaugnayan sa Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council o HUD-C. Samantala, nilinaw din ng palasyo ang usapin sa hindi pagdalo ni CHED Chairperson Patricia Licuanan sa cabinet meetings. Si Sweden Velado sa detalye.
Ng palasyo ng Malacanang na walang bahid ng politika ang naging desisyon ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na huwag nang padaluhin si Vice Presidente Leni Robredo sa mga pagpupulong ng gabinete na nagresulta naman sa pagbibitiw ni Robredo bilang chairperson ng Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council o HUD-C nitong linggo.
This is prerogative to hire or fire or release cabinet secretaries, cabinet members. Remember that it is his personal choice, and the relationship between cabinet members and the president is based on relationship and based on trust. And should the president come to the point where he feels he cannot fully work with or is uncomfortable with a particular cabinet secretary, then it is his prerogative to release such a member.
Sa kabila nito, tiniyak ng palasyo na malaya pa rin si Robredo na ipagpatuloy ang kanyang ibang mga nasimulang programa.
He continues to maintain personal respect for Ms. Leni. And however, regarding work-related programs, Ms. Leni is free to work as she pursues her job and her responsibilities as a Vice President.
Sa panig naman ni CHED o Commission on Higher Education Chairperson Patricia Licuanan na pinagsabihan din na huwag nang pumunta sa mga cabinet meeting, ipinaliwanag ni Abella na nag-ugat ito sa isang memorandum circular na inilabas ng palasyo noong Agosto na hindi tinugunan ni Licuanan.
In view of the President's desire to rid the bureaucracy of corruption and to give him a free hand in achieving this objective, all presidential appointees are hereby directed to tender their unqualified courtesy operative word resignations within 7 calendar days from date hereof. Except the following, of course, it says newly appointed, so forth. There were certain details. But when I checked with the Office of the Executive Secretary, apparently there was no letter submitted from the Commissioner.
Hindi kasi maaaring basta alisin si Licuanan sa pwesto, maliban kung magbitiw ito dahil sa kanyang fixed term. Matatanda ang itinilaga siya ni dating Pangulong Benigno Aquino III bilang pinuno ng CHED noong 2010 at na-reappoint si Licuanan taong 2014, kaya't nakatakda itong bumaba sa pwesto sa 2018 pa. Para sa PTV News, Sweden Velado.